If you've ever posted screenshots trying to explain something, we've all been there. This is the upgrade you've been waiting for.
You want to sell at Macro Marketplace, right? Let me guide you with 5 steps you will follow. To register, visit seller.macro.co.za and complete the 10-minute application form. These are the requirements.
Head over to Google's Gemini and open up a new chat and paste this prompt or write your own prompt. The prompt needs to have Pixar-inspired art style featuring the type of an avatar that you would like to create. So mine has a cute girl. She's got warm brown skin and large brown expressive eyes. Then you put in the details of what she is wearing. This is important because this is what you're going to use to change the different composition of your character. The main one, she's set against the black background and it's cinematic soft, and it also has 8K resolution. So that I'll paste this prompt in the description below so that you have it. When you want to change to a different pose, then you change the composition, because if you want to make her fly, then go to the composition and say that the character is shown in mid-air, or she's smiling, or she's pointing, or she's walking. This is where you change the character of what it is that she's doing on the composition. Once you've created your character, you have the images. You're going to download the images and head over to Grok. Next, I'm going to head over to Grok and I'm going to open Imagine on Grok. So you head over to where it says Imagine, you click on there so that you can animate the images. So we want her to say something on the images, and Grok helps us lip sync that. Once you've opened up Imagine, you're going to click on the image at the bottom here. But first thing, make sure that you pick the type of platform that you are creating for. I'm creating for YouTube, so I'm going to leave it at 16 by 9 and then click on the plus button, select animate image, and then go and find my little avatar that I've created in order for me to animate. So I'm going to select the first one and click open, and automatically Grok starts creating a video. You can cancel the video so that you stop it in order for you to type what you want the avatar to say. And then I'm going to say what I want the avatar to say. And you also need to say the type of accent you want to be used. So because we're teaching 5 steps, we're going to tell the avatar or have the avatar say, in order to visit, head over to Macro and complete a 10-minute application. And then you press the enter button. Then we wait for Grok to create the video for us.
To register, visit seller.macro.co.za and complete the 10-minute application form.
Create as many of these avatars as you need and then download them and head over to editing. The last step depends on the video editing tool that you would like to use. I prefer CapCut because it has a background remover. I would then import all of the clips that I want the avatar to talk through, also import the videos that I've downloaded, and then start editing. I'm going to add my clip to my timeline and then add my little avatar as an overlay, and then select CapCut's video editing background remover and take off the dark background. That way it takes it off, and then I can start adjusting and place the avatar wherever I want to place the avatar. And you keep on doing this with all of the clips until you have something solid that looks like this.
In your store. Step 2. Approval. Await email confirmation, which typically takes about 2 business days. Next step, list your products. The best option is to use a create single option. Next step, you will now manage orders. This means that you will fulfill orders from your own premises. Last step, you get paid. Payouts are made 15 to 30 days from the date of delivery.
If you want to learn more, type macro in the comments. See you soon.
If this kind of content you enjoy, you are definitely going to love this video that I've created for you that you can watch next.